What's up, YouTube? Jeff, your Style O.G. And on today's video, we're going to talk about how to wear that short sleeve button down. If you're new to the channel, we release a new video every day at 4 p.m. Eastern, discussing various men's lifestyle topics such as style, grooming, and dating. I invite you to subscribe and tap that notification bell and join us. And to my returning friends like Mikkel83, salute. Now, I'll be the first one to admit, pulling off a button-down short sleeve, very tricky. Is it a casual shirt? Is it a dressy shirt? Should you tuck it in? Leave it untucked? A bunch of questions. So what I want to do in today's video, give you a few of the do's and don'ts to wearing the short sleeve button down, and give you a lookbook showing how to rock it. Gonna do my best to make sure you don't look like a used car salesman or someone that needs a pocket protector. So without further ado, let's get into how to wear that short sleeve button-down shirt. First off, let's get into the couple of do's and don'ts, how the shirt should fit, and whether it's a casual or dressy shirt. First up, it's a casual shirt, so wear it as such. And that means most of the time you want to wear it untucked. Now, in advanced style move, you can tuck it in, but leave that to the professionals. Now let's talk a little bit about how you want it to fit. First of all, you want it to be slim, but not tight through the body. And on top of that, you want it to fit pretty well on your biceps. And just like any untucked shirt, you want to aim for the length to be around mid-crotch or so. And because it's a casual shirt, I kind of advise to be laid back and relaxed. Unbutton the first two buttons. That's what I like to do. So now that we got a couple of do's and don'ts, and whether it's a casual or dressy shirt, let me show you 3 different ways on how you can rock that short sleeve button down. Now for our first look, I've got a go-to warm weather look that you can rock the short sleeve button down, as I have my light blue Oxford cotton button down with some shorts. Now this is a look you can easily break out at your cookout, barbecue, or pool party. To me, it's a great way to have a little bit of polish to a hot weather look. As you can see here, I have it with a nice light, almost peach colored pair of flat front chino shorts. To finish off the casual look, a nice pair of all white sneakers. This is a look that highlights that a great way to add a little polish to an outfit is substituting a short sleeve button down instead of a t-shirt. For our second look of the day, I wanted to show you that a short sleeve button down is a great option to throw on with a nice pair of slim jeans. Here we have a nice patterned navy blue short sleeve button down. And as you can see, I have it paired with a simple pair of slim fit medium wash jeans. Adding a little bit of polish to the look, I've got a nice pair of burnished brown penny loafers. I love rocking a short sleeve button down with a slight pattern to it like this navy blue one has. But you want to make sure when you're wearing a patterned shirt, you want to keep the bottom simple. You don't want to overwhelm your look with too many busy pieces. To me, this would be a great look to go out on a nice warm weather summer date night. Short sleeve button down, a nice polished look with the jeans. And for our third and final look of the day, I wanted to show you that the short sleeve button down is a great option to rock with your favorite pair of chinos. As you can see here, once again, I'm going back to my light blue Oxford cotton button down, but this time paired it with one of my favorite pair of chinos that I have, my olive green chino. To me, it's always a no-brainer, great look to match your neutral colors, such as your olive and your blues. And to me, this is about as far as you want to go on the dressiness scale with a short sleeve button down. Remember, it is a casual shirt, so I wouldn't go any dressier than a pair of chinos. And of course, I finished the look off with one of my favorite pair of shoes, my double monk straps, these in a nice coffee color. Put it all together, showing once again the versatility, casualness, but a little bit of the polish of the short sleeve button down shirt. Okay, so there you have it, my guide on how to wear that short sleeve button down. Let me know in the comment section how you like to rock your short sleeve button down. As always, I hope you enjoyed the video. If so, hit that like button. Helps the channel to grow. And of course, tap the notification bell so you don't miss any of the videos we release every day at 4 p.m. Eastern. And I'll check you out tomorrow.